in-app review has come, yeah, and let me just give it a 5 star even though no one plays it. Hello friends, welcome. In this video we are going to learn on how to implement a feature of in-app review in your Godot made Android game or an app, whatever. And in this video we are going to use a simple plugin, and we are going to include the feature of in-app review in our app. And I will say one thing, to be able to use this feature in your game or an app, it should be available in Google Play Store at first. Okay, I don't think if your app isn't available, and it won't show the in-app review pop-up or the message. So your app should be published before it shows an in-app review feature or the pop-up message in your app. So let's start. First of all, this is my project called Instinct Logic Puzzle Game, and which is already available in Google Play Store, and I am updating it. And I have already used one of the plugin by that person called AdMob, that lets me show ads in my game. And this Instinct Logic Puzzle Game is the worst performing game in the Google Play Store that I've made. And let's see what happens, and I will include the feature of in-app review here. So right now we are in the main scene, and the main scene only contains the node, yeah, and an AdMob node, that which I have implemented. And let's first of all install the plugin in our project. For that, let me go to the asset library, and here we are going to search for the in-app review app. In-app REVIEW review. Let's see. It's not coming. In app r, let me just write review, REVIEW review. Okay, it comes, yeah. So this one, Android in-app review plugin, we are going to use this. It's by the person called SinZPZ, yeah, and this person has developed this AdMob plugin also, that which is very easy to utilize, and I'll use this person's in-app review plugin. So let me click here, and let's just download. Click on download. Okay, it has downloaded, and let me just install it. And it has installed successfully. Just click OK, and after that let me go to project settings, and in the plugins tab I'm going to just enable in-app review plugin here, yeah, and I'll close it for now. Great. And now we need to include the in-app review node in our main scene. Okay, so the main scene is this one for me, for my game. It's the main scene. I will just right click here and add a child node called in-app review. So let me search here, in-app review. Okay, this node, let me just create it. Okay, so we have added our in-app review node, and let's see its signals. What kind of signals does it pass? So let me go to nodes. So it have these 4 signals: in-app review flow launch failed, receive flow launched, I mean a review info generated, and review info generation failed. So these are 4 signals. We'll connect it in our script, and let me show you the demo of provided by this guy who have made the in-app review plugin. So let me go to the Google Play, and here this is the GitHub repository for this plugin, Godot Android in-app review plugin. And in here we can see how to install and use our app, yeah. So the users here, it have 4 types of these listeners, and we need to call generate review info method from the in-app review node, and after that it will generate signal, and we can launch review flow, and the dialog will appear. And it also says dialog may not be displayed if the review flow was launched recently. Okay, so the dialog will appear only once, or it depends on the Google, not us. So if the dialog doesn't appear, that means you have already launched it and it won't appear. So it depends on the Google whether it shows the dialog or not, but at the first time it will definitely launch. And normal act functionality can resume when a review flow launch signal is received. So let's see the demo first. Let me go up. So it has a demo folder, and we have got our files here, and let's go to main.gd, and he has implemented the in-app review like this. Yeah, so this is the in-app review node, and he has a button that tries to generate the in-app review information, and there are the signals also, and we will be using this code as it is in our app. So let me go back to my project, and here let me click my main scene, and I've got my script here. Double click. So this is the script for my main scene. Yeah, I've implemented the add mob also here. So let's also implement the in-app review here. So I've got different functions for showing the ads here, and here let me just drag the in-app review node inside the script here. Okay, we have dragged the in-app review node here, and after that we need to connect certain signals. So let me just hit enter here, and I'll just copy and paste the code from the project, the demo project here. So we have got these functions: in-app review info generated signal, and this one. Let me just copy everything from underscore print screen to up to this much. Yeah, copy it. And another one is the in-app review. So this one has already done by myself. Yeah, you saw it, and we will use a button in our main menu scene to generate the review. So let's get back to my code, and I'll hit enter once again, and I'll paste it. So these are the functions. And one thing is we don't have a label in our the main node, so let me delete it. So this function just prints out the messages that we see here. Yeah, so if this function is called, and it will see what type of message it is, and it will just print it like this. And next these are all the functions for the signal. So let's connect those signals. So let me click on the in-app review, go to node. Okay, and let's just click here and connect. Did it connect? Yeah, it did connect. In-app review flow launch failed. Next, another. Let's just connect it. Connect. Okay, this one also connected. Now 2 more left. Connect. Okay, this one also connected. The last one, this one. Review info generation failed. Connect. Okay, our signals have been connected to the appropriate functions. And next, what do? We need to show the review pop-up here. So to show the review pop-up, let's see what he has done. Let me get back here. So he has used the button, and inside the button, if that button is pressed, what does happens is it will call this function generate review info. Okay, so let me make a function, similar function. Get back to my project, And in here I'll just make a function called func show underscore in underscore app underscore ew review. So this will be the function that will be called from a different scene. And in here what I'm going to do is get back to the demo project, and here just copy this one and paste it here. So this in-app review, where is it? This in-app review node has this function, and we just call it. If this function will be called from outside of this main scene, and then we will just use this function called generate review info, and hope we will see the review pop up. Save it. So we need to call this function from anywhere from where we want our pop-up to generate. So in app review function, save it, and let me get back one more time. Let's see if there is anything else. So nothing, we don't have to initialize anything. Yeah, on button pressed, we just generate the review info signal, and after that I hope it will automatically show us the pop-up. Let's get back to our code, and this is the main scene, so it has got nothing. Yeah, if you see in the 2D view, you see nothing in here. So I have got a menu scene here. Let me go back, get to menu scene. So this is my menu scene, and I will include a small button here. So when I press this, it will show the in-app review message. Okay. So let me include a small button here up to credit. So I've got this one. So let me add a button in my menu scene, add a child, butt1 button. Okay, I'll just use a link button for now. Create a link button, this one. Yeah, and let me get back to inspector here and write something called review as. Can we see the okay, I hope you can see this writing, and I'll make it a little bit large. Link button. Okay, where is the theme here? Theme override. Color, what kind of color would I like? Red color. Okay, red color would be good. And next, let me go to the font size. Increase the font. Make it 40. 40 is too large. 25. Okay, good. And next, let me just center it. How can I center from here? No. How can I center my text? Okay, let me add this link button to a control. Okay, let me add a control node, CONTRO, a control node, create. Okay, and I'll add this link button inside the control like this. Okay, now it got here. Okay, what do I do here? Like this. Good. And control node is here. Can I center it? Okay, great. So our review us button is here, and let me just add a little bit of an animation so that users will see it will attract the attention of the users. Yeah, for this, what do I do? Okay, we have this control node parent, right click and add animation, and I am at the animation player, create. Okay, I've got an animation player here, and let me just click on this. The new animation, I'll just call it pulse, pulse, pulse. Okay, and let me just click on here and property track, and I will choose the link button to be animated, and the property to be animated will be scale scale. Click OK. Okay, and let me just right click here, insert a key, and for this one it will be just a normal value 1, and in the middle insert another key. In 0.5 seconds I will just click here. Okay, for this I'll make it 1 point how much 1.8, so I scale up to 1.18, and that's it. And let me just make it auto load so that it will just keep on going on, and let me just keep on loop also, and let me play the animation. Okay, that looks good. Our review us button, yeah, it will attract the attention of the users, and if it attracts, then if they click here, hopefully the pop-up message will appear. And that's it. And now let's link this it's press signal. So let me click on the link button, and let me rename it. Why is it a link button? It's a review button, review review btn. Okay, great. Click the review button, and let's go to node and click on pressed. Connect and connect. Okay, review on, review button pressed. So we have connected our signal here, review button pressed. Once we press this review button, we will launch the show review request function that we had made earlier. So here let me go to the main script, main GD, and here we have got this function called show review, so in-app review, and it will just generate the review info, I hope. So let's click in the review button. No, get back to the main menu, script, and here once we have pressed this button, let's call that function. So it's an auto load, that why I can get it. global global dot main dot show in app review. Great. Okay, and let me just print out something here so that I can see clear and different if it actually calls this function or not. I'll just say review review button pressed. Save it, and that's it. I think it's good. So let me first play from the editor. It will not show anything because it's not a mobile phone, but let's see if we see this message or not. You can play. Okay, our review button is here, and if I click here, do I see anything in the message? Okay, here review button pressed. That's good. And now let's me load this whole project in my mobile phone. So I've got a remote deploy enabled, so I will deploy it here in my phone that's connected with my laptop. Okay, it's running. Okay, building the project might take some time, 1 or 2 minutes, and after that I will show you if it actually shows the pop-up review or not. So I've only used it just once, and because I have only one mobile phone and one profile, it only showed just one time in my another project, and after that it does not show. So it depends on Google whether it wants to show the message again or not, or the review pop up, because you only do review once and it will not show. I think that's the what Google wants. Running on Samsung SM8. Okay, it's running or installing in the device. Okay, it has installed, so let me run. Where is my phone link? Okay, opening my phone. Let me open the phone screen. Loading mobile phone is unlock your device, so let me unlock it. It's unlocked. Why isn't it showing? Loading mobile screen. Let me just close it one more time. Okay, let me open the mobile screen again. Okay, now it's running. So we can start the game here. First of all, let's see if the review comes or not. Oh my god, it's final time. Click here. Okay, in-app review has come, yeah. And let me just give it a 5-star, even though no one plays it. For me, it's a 5-star, whatever. And I will give a review. Interesting game. I'll just add more. Her puzzles. More PEO. Play it. Great. And I'll submit it. Thank you for submitting private feedback. Great. And that's it, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, and please like, comment and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time in our next tutorial. Thank you, guys.